Hello, my wonderful viewers. Thank you so much for choosing Rebikit Foods as your channel. Thank you for always viewing my videos. For the new subscribers, thank you so much as well. Please feel welcome. View my videos, like, share, and also press on to the notification bell as well. And for normal subscribers, please make sure your notification bell is always on so that you can be notified of all videos. So today guys, I'm back with this recipe. I am going to do some silverfish omena, and this silverfish this time around I'm going to make silverfish in coconut cream. So somehow this recipe is going to be creamy, and I'm going to serve it with the Kenyan ugali. So please watch this video until the end. So let's cook. So these are the spices and the ingredients that I'm going to use for this. First, here I have chopped my red onions. I have 3 medium-sized tomatoes. I have coriander leaves. I have ginger and garlic. I have lemon. So I have vegetable oil. And this is the silverfish itself, omena. And this is the coconut cream that I'm going to use. And I have normal cooking cream. Then I'm going to use mixed spices. For the spices, I'm going to use mixed spices and cayenne. So keep tuned. Plate my heat. I've placed the pan. I'm going to add some vegetable oil first. So I'll let that vegetable oil cook. So this is the silverfish that I'm going to do. We have various ways of approaching this silverfish. It depends on how you want to make it, or the style that you want to make it. So because I'm going to make a sauce out of this, I'm still going to let it cook in this oil first, and then I'll take it out and then make the sauce. So at this point I'm not going to, you can it's normally nice when it's a bit wet, it is not very dry, but I'm still going to deep fry it first, then I'll make the sauce. So keep tuned. So guys, it seems like the oil is ready, so I'll be adding this silverfish just simultaneously, not all of it. I'll just be adding it in bits. After washing the silverfish, you wash it first, then you put it aside for about 1 hour to to dry up. Meaning, because when you're going to put it in oil, if it still has some water, it's not going to cook well. So you may have to give it at least some time to drip out the water. Just dried up. So at this point now, you can sprinkle some salt to it. So don't let it to be very dry. So this is just enough. So you can see the one that I've just deep fried. So you do the same to this one as well. So make sure you fry them until they brown, just like the other one. So this is okay. What I'm going to do is just to take them out now. This is it. So keep tuned for the next step. Now we are just going to make a creamy sauce out of this. Here are my 3 tomatoes. I'm going to have them blend. I'm going to blend them so that I can have a very nice stew. is my blended tomato. So next, I'll place my pan. I've just lit my pan. I will add some vegetable oil just to cook. And guys, I don't need to put so much oil because I'm going to use some cream. And you see, cream has some oil. So I'm just placing some vegetable oil, which will enable me to cook the onions, the red onions. Oil is ready. So guys, you can see my silverfish just beside here. It's crispy. You can even have kachumbari. Use kachumbari to take it the way it is. It's ready to eat. So once your onions have withered, this is the time you put the garlic. So this is the time I'm going to put my garlic. Reason is that the garlic tend to stick, so it won't. If you put it earlier, it won't allow you to cook the onions well. That's a very, very, very nice aroma, guys. My blended tomatoes. My coriander. I can add the spices now, and remember I told you I'm only going to use 2 spices. This is cayenne pepper, mixed spices. Give it a good stir. And now from here you can tell whether it has, you can check whether it has enough salt. Remember when we were deep frying the silverfish, we add some salt. So I will add the salt. Now after this, I'm going to add the cooking cream. And I will cover it and let it cook for about 2 minutes before I add in the others. So keep tuned, guys. Yes, I can see it is ready. So now this is the time now I will add in my silverfish. do that, now this is the time now we are going to add the coconut cream. This is the coconut cream, and before we go any further, we are going to add this lemon juice to it. So guys, we put the coconut cream the last minute because if you cook it for long, coconut cream and lemon, if you cook them for long, it doesn't, the aroma will disappear. And then for lemon, if you cook it for so long, it gets bitter, becomes bitter. So we'll give it a good mix. So guys, just look at my ooh. So nice, so nice. So I'll just give it 2 minutes to cook, then later I'll just take it out. So guys, this is my creamy silverfish. This is my creamy silverfish. So if you want to enjoy your silverfish, please cook it this way. You will enjoy it. It's so nice, and then you serve it with ugali. Kenyan ugali. You will love it. Just see how creamy it is. So guys, this recipe is so nice. This silverfish, creamy silverfish is so nice with ugali here. So let me just try it out. You can see. Whoa. Mm. Hi, this is the best meal so far. Thank you for watching this video. Give it a like, share as much as you can, and please try it out. Let's meet in another video. Bye bye. Welcome.